Here we have the head-up display, and we're in the settings, and this is the display height, this is the lower feature, and then we go up to the highest. That makes a noise. Can't even see it anymore. Okay. A rotation. Full down. Full up. Does that change? Okay. Then brightness. Full and minimum. What if? Yeah, we have speedometer size, small, medium, large, and speedometer color. We have white, orange, green. I like green. Green is good. And after we have content selection, turn by turn, traffic info, nah. Driver assist info, nah. Lane safety info, nah. Blind spot safety, nah. Turn by turn, that's all we need.
Starting route guidance.
Okay. See what it does. Can I go up here? Nah. Oh, you can hear the fest amazingly loud right now. Woo-hoo. So, I have to admit, I cannot see the head-up display because my camera is in the way. What's going on? Wrong button. Okay, that's enough. It's way better. Isn't it better? Driving in the snow, having no traction. That's it. Isn't this here too? Yes, there it is. Let's see how it looks like here.
In 200 meters, leave the roundabout at the second exit.
Yeah, it shows in the head-up display, it shows the exact same information as down here, except for the text for the name of the street.
Leave at the second exit.
Let's do everything. Spots. Look at that! I can see stuff, and if I change the distance, does that? Yeah, good. Well, I'm not. Ooh, look! You saw the blind spot warning, and there's a car in front. All in the little head-up display. And again, I cannot say that enough. In real life, so when I'm sitting here, the head-up display is very big. New year 2019. Shooty McShoot. Can you see that? Yes, you can. This is what I'm doing.